Hi, in this video we are going to make this 2D painting inside Photoshop. It's very simple yet very exciting, and this video might get a little longer just because I will be teaching in depth. If you want to stick around, then keep on watching. So of course, to paint something, we need a blank canvas. So here I will be choosing the size 1280 by 720 pixels. And this is the canvas we will be working on. So to start the painting we will be adding a new layer. And then select your lasso tool. And then just make a random mountain shape. It doesn't has to be perfect. And to do this painting process you might need to click on this button, which will allow you to add more selection at the same time. And as you can see now I can add more selections. Now once you like your selection, then you have to choose a color. So you can choose from here. Or you can also choose from here. And you can see that the color you just chose has become your foreground color. So to fill the foreground color into the selection, we press Alt backspace, and to fill the background color we press Ctrl backspace, so I will just press Alt backspace and press Ctrl+D to deselect. Now add a layer 2 and put it under your layer 1 because we want it behind our first mountain. And I will just make another mountain shape using a lasso tool. So now I will just choose a color 3 or 4 shades lighter than my previous color. And we'll just gonna press Alt backspace and Ctrl+D to deselect. And I will basically gonna repeat this same process again and again. Now once you have made all the mountains, it's time to give some color to the background, so select your background layer. And then select your gradient tool. Here I will choose this dark color. And simply click and drag to make a gradient. Now it's too dark, so I will just make it a little lighter. Now here I have this moon image. So I will simply select it. And gonna press Ctrl+J. And just gonna move it to our painting. And we'll gonna put it behind all the mountains just above the background and gonna transform it by pressing Ctrl+T. And now I will simply change the blend mode to screen and decrease the opacity. And I will add a layer mask and erase a little bit from the middle of this moon. If you want to see a full-depth tutorials about masks, then you can watch this video. I still think that the background is a little dark, so just gonna make it lighter. Now I will add a new layer just above the background layer. And I have these watercolor brushes that we can use to add some textures. By the way, the link will be in the description. So I'm just gonna paint here and there with a light color. Whoa, the size. You know what? We can even do this with mountains. Okay, so I'm just gonna select my layer 2. And just hold Ctrl, bring your mouse cursor to the layer thumbnail, and once you see this rectangle then just click. So Photoshop will make the selection of whatever is on the layer, and I am just gonna add some texture in mountains as well. And I am going to repeat this process for all the mountains. Now we will make some tree brushes so we could paint them on our painting. So here I have this canvas of the size 1144 by 2000 pixels. So just go to Filter, Render, and then choose Tree. And here Photoshop has 34 trees. So just choose the one you like. So I will go with this one. Oh no guys, we were supposed to add new layer and then do this tree process. Well, just press Ctrl plus Z to undo. So remember to add a new layer before adding the tree, don't be dumb like me. Well, just do the same process again. And now press Ctrl plus U. And take the lightness all the way to left. Now go to Edit. And then choose Define Brush Preset. And here you can choose any name. And here you get your tree brush. And you can easily paint with it. Now select your layer 1 and paint with the same color. So to sample the color, just hold the Alt key while your brush is selected. And once you see this dropper thing, then just click to sample that color. And simply paint. So I will also gonna make some more tree brushes. Oh no, I forgot to add a new layer again, how could I? Don't be dumb like me, okay? Remember to add a new layer before you add the tree. And now I will simply paint as many trees I want. And I even have these grass brushes that we can use. But as you can see, that it's painting different colors even if I'm sampling the color I want. So if this is also happening to you, then just go to brush settings. And here just uncheck the color dynamics and that's it. And now it will only paint a single color. And now feel free to add as much mountains, trees, grass, stars. So I will just fast forward this video. So this is the end result, but you can even change color right now. So to change the color, add a hue and saturation adjustment layer on the top of every layer and move the slider of the hue to change the color. And turns out that most of you who watch my videos aren't actually subscribed, so if you like the content and want to support the channel, then please do it, it's free, and you can always change your mind later.